Through winding roads, embraced by endless greenery, the journey begins. Rolling hills and farms stretch into the distance, painting a picture of calm and timeless beauty. A quiet path leads through golden fields, inviting each step to slow down and breathe in the stillness of nature. From above, the rice fields unfold like a vast mosaic. Each square shimmers with the colors of life and tradition. Within the fields, humble huts stand as guardians of the land, symbols of simplicity, shelter, and a deep connection to the earth. High on the hill overlooking the river rises a temple touched by the sky, a place where prayers drift with the wind. And peace lingers with the sound of the flowing water. Graceful carvings, timeless stone, and sacred halls tell stories of devotion. Every corner holds centuries of faith, where the sacred and the eternal meet. In the heart of the city, a monument rises, watching over the streets below. On the great Mekong, the river carries its stories with each ripple. Boats drift along its currents, where journeys are measured not in distance. Vast and elevated, the plateau stretches outward, rich with fertile soil and the promise of life. Here, water cascades with power and grace, carving its path through stone. A symphony of nature, both fierce and gentle, eternal and free. As the day fades, the sky turns to gold. A final embrace of light before nightfall, reminding us that beauty lingers even as the sun sets.